going to Lagos. Ikorodu, Lagos.
That's key. That's
Isese Lagba. So, straight to Lagos. We are going to Lagos to meet Babalawo Ifakolade Ajanaku. In fact, this interview is going to be a success, you know. In fact, I never knew that Ifakolade Ajanaku, I never knew he's a Babalawo, honestly. So I thought he only makes movies, you know. So I'm going to him right now, driving with my crew, you know, to Lagos to interview Ifakolade Ajanaku. So thank you guys. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. This is where we promote African culture, traditions, and religion. So we are going to Lagos. Ifakolade Ajanaku láti interview wọn. Well, thank you very much, guys. Ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ á gbé wa o.
Àṣẹ.
So we are going. Bye. Yeah. So another Isese Lagba journey. Yeah. So we are going to Lagos. We're going to Lagos to meet Babalawo Ifakolade Ajanaku. Yeah. So this is Gary Real Life TV. If you are new here, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. So we are going straight to Lagos, Ikorodu, precisely. Yeah. From Shagam to Ikorodu, the road is bad, so we just look for an alternative road. So we're in the bush now. So to link from Shagam Express to Ikorodu. So the road manager is trying right here. He has been driving since. We're in the bush, as you can see, the bush. Like the bush right here.
Take the next right, then make a... kó gba ọ̀nà bòmí ìlọ́kó lọ́tíkọ́ Ifá kan sọ pé àṣà balẹ̀ ò dá wéséwésé ìbalẹ̀ kó sí ọ̀sẹ̀ òrìrì sapá kọ́kọ́rọ́ fi kóhùn ẹ̀mọ̀ṣọ́ sí ajé afọ̀rọ̀ mílà bàbá nọ́gbónọ́gbó bàbá nọ́jùnọ́jù àgbàdì bàbá padà wá sífá onọ́gbónọ́gbó onọ́jùnọ́jù àrígbàdo òdùn.
Ire tó sọnù, ire wọlé dé o. Yes, tell Alara that I've seen my fortune. Tell Orogun that I've seen my fortune. My lost fortune is back to me. If you ask me why I'm so much happy, why the joy in my heart is all over me, that I'm singing the song of joy, the song of life, the song of hope.
So I just done with the interview with this road. Do you think this will it be able to? Okay, Ulosha. So we're just done with the interview with Babalawo Ifakolade Ajanaku. In fact, the interview was a very interesting one, which of course you guys can't afford to miss this interview. So we are just leaving Lagos now. We are in Ikorodu. We are still in Ikorodu. You know, the roads are very, very bad in Ikorodu, Lagos. Too very bad. So we are going back to Akure right now. You know, so this is how we travel around. You know, and it's because of the passion. You know, because of the people. Some of you guys may think that this guy is doing it to make money. You know, of course, it's good to make money. It's good to make money, so, because if you don't have money, it will be difficult for you to even carry out your passion. To be very difficult to perform what you love doing, to do what you love doing. So this very journey needs money as well. So that is very important. You know, it's not the primary motive. It's not the primary motive, but of course money is needed to get things going, right? But the primary objective of this journey is to give our Babalawo's voice, you know, to promote our own thing as Africans, to promote our heritage. You know, it's been a long time that these foreign religions have been talking bad about our own ancestral path. So it's not good for us to just keep quiet just like that forever. So, and we are in the era of technology, so we can make use of the same technology to give our Babalawos voice. So for the benefit of our coming generation, you know, because money Yoruba will say ti eyan ba dake ti ara e ma ba dake. So that's the reason why we travel around to scout for our Babalawos and other Olorishas. Okay, so we buy fuel, we lodge, we eat, you know, and we even service the car, you know. So you know, the money, I told you guys that I have my own source of income, my own personal source of income. So, but at the same time, for those of you who feel that I'm doing this because of money, well, I can say you are right, because money is needed as well to promote this journey. Okay, and I'm not the type who will be calling people maybe whenever I want to travel, calling people to sponsor the travel. Where I do appreciate it when you do it from your own, you know, let me say from your own let's say from your choice. You know, if it's, you know, it's a choice. It's not compulsory. You know, so if you do it, we are going to appreciate you and pray for you, and even the Orisha that is helping us will as well help you. That I know. So thank you very much. Watch out for this video, for this interview that I had with Baba Ajanaku, Baba Ifakolade Ajanaku. Watch out for the interview. You know, thank you very much, and get in real life. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button to subscribe free of charge.